How to fix no call sound problem on iPhone. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to the Skytech studio. And let's say you are getting calls on your iPhone but it's not making any sound. Then here in this video I'll show you a couple of ways of how you can fix the problem within a minute. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the video, guys. Well, so now to fix the problem, we're just going to start with the very basic process. So you just need to swipe down from the very top and press and hold the Bluetooth icon right here, and then press and hold once again, and make sure you are not connected with any Bluetooth device that you have. Now just get back from here and turn up the Bluetooth if not necessary. And after that, make sure your iPhone is not in silent mode. If it is, go ahead and turn off the silent mode from your iPhone and check your issue. And after doing this process, if you find that you're still having the problem, simply go ahead and open up the settings application from your device and then scroll down, tap on sounds and haptics. And if you find ringtone and alert volume is all the way to the down, then all you have to do is just need to take it to all the way to the up. And once you have done that, also make sure to turn up change with buttons option right here. If it's enabled, go ahead and turn this option off and then get back from here and check your issue. And let's say you did all the process and you are still having the problem, then this can be a software glitch. Now to fix the problem, you can restart your iPhone or you can turn off and on your iPhone as well. So I'm gonna tap on this home button right here, tap on device, and then more, you'll get to see the restart. Go ahead and tap on that and restart your iPhone once. And once you get back, hopefully your problem is going to be solved. Hope you find this pretty helpful, guys. If you do, please drop a like and subscribe to this channel. See you guys around, and thank you very much for watching.